Ginger spice comes from the roots of plants native to Asia. Unique flavor and fragrance of ginger come from its natural oil called gingerol. Gingerol is responsible for much of its medicinal properties. Let's have a look at benefits of ginger. Its chemical compounds help your body ward off germs and halt growth of bacteria like E. coli and Shingilla, and also keep viruses like RSV at bay. Gingerol in ginger keep away oral bacteria that causes periodontal disease. Periodontal disease causes serious gum infection. In some studies, people with muscle ache from exercise who took ginger had less pain the next day than those who didn't. Some studies show that bioactive molecules in ginger may slow down the growth of some cancer cells, like liver, ovarian, gastric, skin, breast, prostate, etc. But more research is needed to see if this is true. As per recent study, ginger may help body use insulin better. Insulin variation causes low blood sugar. In studies, women who took ginger powder once a day for 3 days during their cycle felt less pain than women who didn't. Ginger reduces swelling and is good for both rheumatoid and osteoarthritis. You may get relief by taking ginger by mouth or by using a ginger compress. As per studies conducted in humans and animals, ginger may help in weight loss by improving secretion of bile juice in stomach and digestion process. This area of research is relatively new, but ginger may have powerful anti-diabetic properties. A daily dose of it may help you battle your bad or LDL cholesterol levels. In recent study, people's LDL cholesterol lowered by an average of 30 points. Ginger is helpful if you are trying to ease a queasy stomach, especially during pregnancy. It may work by breaking up and getting rid of built-up gas in your intestines. It might also help settle seasickness or nausea by chemotherapy. Ginger improves brain function by reducing oxidative stress and chronic inflammation that may be a reason for Alzheimer and age-related cognitive decline. There's also proof that ginger can enhance brain function directly.